Hello everybody, a warm welcome to all of you. Today I will be showing you how I will be making fish, and this is the catfish variety which we call R in Bengali, R fish. So I'll be making it in a very healthy way, and I'll be trying to do it in a oil-free way. Okay, so the things that I'll be needing are, here I've taken capsicum, bell pepper. See, since I'm using 3 pieces, so I'll be taking this much of only 1/4, no 1/8, I suppose 1/8 part of each of these bell peppers, green, red and yellow. 1 tomato, this is de-seeded, I've removed the seeds. Then I'll be taking a few sprigs of this is called coriander leaves, just a few leaves of mint, and few pods of garlic. Garlic is good for health, so few pods of garlic. And here I have black pepper. I'll be using a pinch of haldi powder, salt and gur. So first of all, and here I have the spring onion, the lower portion of the spring onion. Okay, I'll be using this too. So first of all, I'll be making a paste out of all these ingredients. 3 types of bell pepper, tomato, dhania leaves, mint leaves, and the garlic. So let me make the paste first. Well, I have made the paste here, and I have added a spoonful of, not a spoon, say a quarter spoon of gur, jaggery. And here is the paste which I have made. I have added a little water, and this is a watery paste. Here I have the lower portion of the spring onion, which I will add it here, and the leafy part will be added when I will switch off the gas after it is done. Okay, add a little bit of salt according to your taste. Be careful with the salt, not too much. Since this is health food, I'm giving all these instructions. Little bit of black pepper and haldi powder, just a pinch, that's it. Now here I have the kadhai, and into this you can see I'm not using any oil or no cooking medium, nothing, no ghee, no butter. And I should tell you that ghee is better than butter, so try to avoid butter. Kadhai is already hot, and I'm going to add the masala into this. That's it. Gas is lower to medium. Now add the fish. Mix it well. Lower the flame. Cook it in a very low, the lowest flame ever. And you cover this and let it cook. Well, the fish is done. This variety of fish is very soft, so it gets cooked quickly. This is done. I have not added a single bit of oil or any cooking medium. I'm adding this spring onion, switching off the gas, and this is done. So give it a try. It is tasting quite good. Not very good, but it's quite good. You can have it if you're on health diet, and anyone who is a patient who does not require too much of oil, you can use this. You can try this out. So thank you so much for watching. So here's my oil-free fish done and served. It is tasting good, very good in fact. So give it a try. Thank you.